Water's role in shaping society. Water, the essence of life, pulsing through our planet, nurturing society at every turn. It's not just a resource, it's a lifeline. Imagine a world without it. Fields lie barren, cities thirst, and civilizations crumble. Water is the foundation upon which societies thrive or falter. From ancient aqueducts to modern desalination plants, our ingenuity in harnessing water reflects our survival, growth, and progress. Yet, we stand at a crossroads. Climate change, pollution, and overuse threaten this precious commodity, putting our future at risk. Communities worldwide are taking action, adopting sustainable practices to safeguard water for generations to come. Every drop saved is a victory. We must bridge the divide between abundance and scarcity, ensuring equitable access to clean water, fostering a just and thriving society. Together, let's commit to the stewardship of water. For in protecting this vital resource, we protect ourselves and forge a sustainable future.